Hi, kia ora. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Matt, and today I'm going to be testing out my 5.1 audio setup. What you see here is my first attempt at a DIY waterproof cover raindrop dampener. On top of the umbrella is artificial thatch. Now these strands are thick and bulky, and what I'm hoping it will do is dampen the rain noise and allow for usable 5.1 recording, regardless of the weather. Cue the rain. So this is under a standard umbrella. Yep, as expected. Now this is under the DIY thatch umbrella. Well, it works.